see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning guys. Ayan, ready na kami. Kahapon, kagabi hindi ko na na-close yung vlog, but ayan, impake namin lahat ng mga dapat ma-impake. So, baba na kami, tapos hintayin namin yung oras. Alis kami mga 12 or 12:30. Alright?
Hindi na tulad dati na ano.
Thank you, Mels.
Okay.
Ayan, ito pala yung lunch namin bago kami umalis, magpa-airport. Thank you. Let's eat, kuya. Kain ka na. Kakamay daw siya.
You had half of mine?
Kamay. Careful not to go to your clothes. Sabi ko kain ka na. Ay, sarap ang biko. Guys, dito na tayo kay Pogi. Ihatid na tayo sa terminal. Ayan si Pogi. Ang huling ano niya.
Service.
Ang huling niyang biyahe kasama ako. Joke lang. Yeah. Pauwi na. Huli we're not going to Legazpi ha. Kasi akala niya Legazpi pa kami. Hindi na. This is going to Australia. 5 o'clock ang flight namin. 5, yes. And then we will... Ma?
May kailangan 2 hours, 3 hours before.
Ma-check-in pa. Naka-check-in na ako.
Para kung may mga problema sila sa bagahe, papeles.
Ano ko yung aking luggage. Yun lang naman. Tapos naka-fill up na ako ng e-travel. Yeah, so yun na lang. Overweight ako sa luggage. 33, 34. Dapat 30 kilos. So baka hindi. Magbabayad talaga tayo.
See you next time, Holly.
Thank you, Kuya Tito, for always driving us around.
For driving us around.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Love you. Shiba ba?
Bye, Mom. Thank you forever. I love you. Yaw na dumang kay, love you too. Yaw na dumang kay, April. Bye, Ma. I love you. Love you. Okay, come on, Baba. Bye! Tapos na kami sa immigration. Bababa kami sa aming gate. Baba, you have to be careful.
It's fine. I've done this plenty of times now.
Alright. Just be careful.
Whoa. Mom.
Oh my God, ang dami.
Mom, look at this.
I know. Ang dami pasahero. Ayan. Boarding na kami. Philippines.
Sabutao.
Siya palang may food. Ano na yung kids?
We go.
Right?
Where? It's going to dinner roll, and we also got butter.
Butter.
What is this?
It's dessert.
Well, we got dried mango.
Oh, wow.
Why is this food actually so good? Oh, my bread. But, oh, yeah, it was correct.
Yeah, what's it?
Oh, it came with it. Oh, this was so good. I love meat.
All of it.
What's this? I think it's a salad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got milk chocolate.
Try your ano na baba.
Next, heavy.
These are so hard, Baba.
It tastes like how you cook.
That's why I told you, beef salpicao. May chicken kasi. So, pinapili siya. Sabi ko, beef salpicao na lang.
This
Kasi
is spoon. Can I spoon, please?
parang... Kasi natikman niya na yung salpicao ko eh.
Oh, good.
So good.
You wanna try?
I'm good.
Sure. Really good.
Where's your bread? You like it?
Yeah. I also got apple juice with one ice. Got pizza with my tea.
May mga pala outside. It smells good. Yeah, told you.
So good. For my dessert. What do you... Oh, what is that? It's milk chocolate. For dessert. It's nearly done.
Good job.
And then 5 minutes later, I'm gonna have this. That much. I'm nearly finished. I just need to have it.
You don't like your salad?
I haven't tried it. It smells so good.
Wow.
Like what?
Oh, no. It's like Japanese one.
Japanese. Oh, cucumber.
Yeah.
That was good.
There's cabbage, carrots, and cucumber.
Like, this is so good. And even if I don't like salad, it's healthy, so I gotta eat it.
Oh, you still have mango, dried mango.
Yeah. I'm full.
Hi ma'am, for you ma'am. Chicken salpicao, chicken
Salpicao.
piccata or beef salpicao?
Salpicao.
Sorry.
Beef salpicao.
Beef salpicao.
It's so funny. I'm gonna try my dried mangoes.
Thank
Drinks
you.
and dessert.
Thank you.
Filipino or chicken picada?
Chicken piccata yung isang choices. Kasi si salpika.
Mommy also got dried mango.
Yeah. So ako na next kakain. Tapos na siya. Inubos ko lang yung kanyang.
Why is your salad so little?
The same as yours. Nag-try ako mag-grab.
So, there's only two.
There you have it.
That is so good. So good. Yummy.
What's that?
Chocolate.
What?
I got Delawa. Yeah. What's that?
Ano?
Ah, the crunchy.
Crunch.
I got something sparkling. Hey guys. I got chocolate. My mother. Mother.
We have the same.
Ow. Really good. Stuck in my back.
Breakfast na kami. So yung breakfast is corned beef sandwich.
Holy.
Yeah, 1 hour na lang maglaland na kami. 1 hour and a half.
I still want to chew it. No.
You got tissue there.
Looks good. Looks like I got oatmeal cookies. I always do so much cringe TikToks.
Maglaland na pala kami. So, nakapag-fill up na ako ng form for declaration. And siya, ayan, titignan yung mga ginawa niya TikTok. Lapit na. 4 o'clock kami. 4:10 kami mag-arrive. Si Jan, si Kuya, saka si Sak, naghihintay na yun doon. Pinanggal ko na yung earrings ko para...
Melvin, we're going to try and go.
Carousel number 7. We're going to claim our baggage. Yeah. Tapos na kami sa immigration. Where's your daddy? Sorry. I have to ring daddy. Ang tagal namin sa immigration. Yung nag-check ng mga dala-dala nyo, sobrang stricto nila, kaya dapat i-declare talaga nyo. Dineclare ko naman lahat, pero bubuksan talaga at titingnan nila. And meron akong nakita isang Chinese ata yun, parang meron siyang dilata. Bawal ata ang dilata, wala akong dilatang dala. Yung shirataki rice, chinek nila kasi dineclare ko yun eh. Tsaka yung nuts. Okay, come on, Baba. We have to wait for Daddy. We're going there, Baba. Okay. Yeah. No, it's not. Cold.
Mom, can I have a little food?
Alas 6 na. 6:03. Okay, we're gonna go that way, Baba.
I can't put this on.
Can you remove that one?
What?
Hi, Zach! Hi, Nak. Love you. I miss you. Can you get our baggage na? Oh, thank you. Push that one, Nak. Hello. I love you. I miss you. Kuya. Hi. Can you push that one? I'll go, Daddy. Where did you park, Bev?
Parking the line.
Hi.
Hi.
Why did you take away Holly and have Lucy in her hands?
Put that one in my Baba. Huh? What do you mean why?
She always holding Lucy.
Yeah, because she's helping me to carry the luggage.
No, like in video.
Huh?
Mom, what's this?
No, not really. It's alright. It's good. Oh, I feel high. Hello, my love. Hi, Kuya. I miss you. I miss you, babe. You're cold, yeah? It's a lot of line.
I didn't even know you had this.
Yeah. Is it the same, Baba?
You will arrive at your destination at 6:27 a.m.
I don't know. It looks like it.
What?
Sometimes in the morning light, I swear that I can hear you breathe. And if I keep my eyes shut tight and pretend you're next to me, oh, I almost feel
Reunited with my family.
What?
Massages. Stop muna kayo dito kung saan sila nagstay. Nagstay pala sila nung Sunday night dito. Nung nasa Pico de Loro kami, tumawa ako sa kanila. Nandito sila, nag-shopping sila sa Geelong. Tapos nagstay na sila dito sa Melbourne. And then, tambay muna kami dito. Tapos mamaya Sa
Oh, the card, yeah.
Oh, Zach, I'm coming.
I didn't push anything.
Yeah. Minaya! Hala! Oh my God! Oh my God! You're taller than me! Yani, how come? It's only like a month and 2 weeks. Kuya, can I get down, Mommy? Why? I thought you already went to the dentist. Nagpa-dentist sila eh. Ito yung room nila. Ang ganda ha. In fairness.
And then go back down.
Okay.
Wait.
Tulog. Ang aga nila. Oh, so mag-nap muna kami, guys. Sak, no. I'm gonna have a nap now. Gising na kami ni Jan. Mag-alas. What time is it ba? 9:20. May pupunta daw eh. May pupunin siya. Oo, pupunin. Parang magkikita eh. We're going somewhere, right? We're taking on the way. Where? Melbourne. Melton. Alright, baba. Go, yun na, baba. Kantok. Lalo na ito, wala itong napakapagabang ko. Sa, sa plane. May tatlong bed pala dito.
She's got a spray in the car.
Yeah, we got your water. You want it 12?
Baba, may watch, Baba.
There.
No, you're funny.
Save the car.
Alright. Thank you for a few hours of nap.
Should we carry this one?
Me? Will carry it up for you. Which way? Mang init, sabi ni Jan. Lumabas na siyang biyaya ko ng water.
Door closing. Door
We're complete. Where are you,
door
Baba?
closing.
Baba? Where are you, Holly? Mommy, no 5 again kami.
One. Door opening.
Yung friend shopping nila. Oh. You did? You could... Seriously? Aww.
I think it's clean.
You think it's clean? Thank you. Binibiro niya ako. It's alright. As long as I don't see nothing on the couch.
Oh no, it's like goody.
Oh my God. Ano sabi nito? The volcano looks pretty even though it's erupting. Yeah, it's fantastic. Thank you, Bab. Ngayon ng water. Oh yeah, ang init, Bab.
50 cents, that's expired.
No, Dad, they're not even.
No, it's not too bad. It's real close to the airport.
Yeah.
Holly brush her teeth anytime in the building.
Yeah, every day. Taylor's Lakes Hotel. Maganda siya, guys. Saglit lang kami. Ang linis niya.
Mum, TJ needs 2 fillings.
No.
2 teeth pulled out.
Oh.
Need 1 filling.
No.
You need a filling.
Ano kasi nagpa-dentist sila. So si Kuya daw kailangan ng pasta at saka pull
Holly
out.
hasn't been dentist now.
Yeah, I need to because every time I chew on this side,
Yeah, si Holiday papaano ko. Kasi wala kami nung pumunta sila sa ano eh. Sa dentist.
Type in Melton Saddlery.
We're in there.
Remove yung car kasi ilo-load na yung kanyang in order dito. May nakita kong horse. Is that for sale, ha?
Huh?
The horse? The statue horse?
The ruggies.
The rags. Ah, model lang pala siya.
Well done. Been looking for. Oh, that gets me
What?
every time.
That thing.
No, I haven't
If you like, you open the door and you quickly go and get some whack.
Put this on your side now, please. Okay, let's go back.
Yep, we're going home.
We're going home. Let's go home. You're so handsome, babe. Or maybe because I haven't seen you for more than a month. Good na siya. Hinubad niya yung jumper kasi mainit na. Guys, we're going
Turn
home.
right.
Magnap ako. Kulang
Yeah,
pantulog
we
ko.
do that.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?
1:43 na guys. Nag-stop kayo dito sa maliit na baker shop. Nandito na sa Pies and Bread. Tara. Sino nang makakain? Oh, okay.
Can I grab a couple of little party pies? Yeah. Little bit of sauce, thanks.
Which one's good? Meron na lang, Han. Thank you. Yan na lang akin. Wala akong gusto. I'm going back, Beth. Sa car. Init. Ito na. Welcome to Australia. Summer na kasi tapos na nga. Next month pa pala. Hanggang next month. Init, init.
Let Aiden in the car.
Mom,
Yeah. What's this?
I got cherries.
Dr. Pepper. Yeah, I think so.
I got cherries.
Nice. Yeah.
John doesn't like.
You don't like it, Yan?
Yeah, and even
What did you get? Yeah. Sandwich. What?
Chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue. Where's the girl?
Holly doesn't like it.
Oh, okay. You can eat it.
What did you get, Mum?
Just the chips. What's your food?
I haven't tried.
Oh, you have it?
No, it's too hot.
Oh, it's too hot. What did you get?
Pie.
2 party pies.
2 party
Dad,
pie.
I'm gonna open my bag.
Yeah, open.
At Jempon.
Well, the dog's working them.
At Jempon namin na ita-transfer yung mga sheep sa ibang patik.
Is your dog like that, Dad? Dad?
Yeah.
I'm so far.
Ang cute. So lang stop tayo. Pupunta sila sa kabila. That's cute, hon.
Where is he going?
Here, across. How many do you think? Yung mga aso ang yung parang sa kanila, nagpapalabas. Ayun.
Once one goes through, they'll all go through.
They're just copying each other. Okay, it's done. Well done, dogs. Huh. So that's a good help, hon. The dogs.
Oh.
Yes, 3 of them as well. They're kelpies, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you have kelpie? Dad, you make that noise?
Ayan, hinarang niya yung kanyang four-wheeler.
Dad, did you have kelpie?
Yeah.
Who's got one of those
Man.
things on the back, Dad?
Minsan, baka naman ang natatagpuan mo. Hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko ba. Na-vlog ko naman
Yeah,
yun
we do.
ata.
Dad, do you ran the cows up in the four-wheeler or the car?
Four-wheel now.
Exactly.
It's easy.
Why? Before?
You know,
Ha?
it's just easier on the four-wheel.
Before?
Yeah, but Dad, you need one of those things.
Kasi may
where,
four-wheeler
like,
kami, diba? Dati, pag pinapalipat niya rin ng
Hey, is my
ibang
car
patik yung,
Yeah,
yung
better stop
baka,
up here. Whoops.
yung baka namin, ang gamit niya dati is yung pickup niya. So ngayon, meron na rin kami four-wheeler. Mas madali, sabi niyo, ang paglipat ng mga baka. Para doon naman sila kumain ng grass kasi di ba malaki yun. Have you eaten baba? Hindi niya makain kasi sobrang init ng ano niya. Pinili niyang pie. Is it pie?
Yeah.
A party pie.
Party pies.
The charger, don't leave it in here.
Welcome home.
This is it's empty in there.
Ah,
In
we're
where?
windy, Han. You're right. It's windy here.
Yeah, windy pie.
Eh, ibaba lang namin yung gamit. Sabi sa, is it clean, ma'am? Sabi ko, yeah.
No, not my room.
Not your room.
And we got any.
Oh, pakita nila sa akin yung mga binili nila habang wala
It's
tayo.
the MacBook Air.
Why air?
Because we're not getting a Pro. This one's the new one though, 2025. It has an M4 chip.
M4 chip. Kailangan na kasi ni Sak. Yung laptop ko iniwan ko na sa press kasi hindi ano. Yeah, this color.
copied me. No, he said black. I said midnight blue.
This is the one I don't like the color
But it
because
looks good though.
it looks
But you can
tell
see
them
the
what do you call this? M,
M4 chip.
and this is the MacBook Air. Now you get your fingerprints. It's I like the size. Is that 13 inch?
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan niya rin ng laptop kasi nga ano na siya.
Listening to music.
High school. You're high school now, right? Oh, nice.
I put them there.
Yeah, how?
Do you want me to?
Si Sak, ang galing niya sa mga ganito, oh. Mag-ano sa laptop or...
Do you want me to put them there, like for you?
Yeah, later.
I got
You
this.
download that.
Oh, I have to download what?
Widget wall.
Is
It's
it
not.
free?
It's free. It's
Okay.
like
You get
Well-
Spotify
I can open all these
from
screws.
Daddy? Are you connected with Daddy?
no,
So Daddy's paying this?
no.
What?
You can. That he has premium.
How about you?
I have just normal.
But can you download
Download what?
songs?
Yeah. Go plus. But don't download.
Ah, nice. It's TJ's the same as yours?
Yeah, you got the same. I was thinking of getting the blue,
Yeah.
the light blue, sky blue.
Yeah. So why you get the same color?
He
What color
copied
again
me.
this?
Huh?
What color again this?
Midnight blue.
You did? Ah.
It was satisfying.
It's like you did
No,
that.
the box one. No,
Ah.
not the one with the thing.
I just opening the box.
Yeah, but it is. I don't like it. I don't.
You don't
like
like?
the filming.
How did you film?
I did the thing there.
Yeah. That's alright.
No,
Unboxing
this
shit.
this
That one.
this bit was the best bit. That's more satisfying because like
Who's filming? TJ?
little things in here.
Yeah.
Here, hold it here.
Why is in the box?
Because they get the shit.
Oh, so you didn't get it in the physical store? I thought you
It's a
went to...
physical
No, you went to Harvey Norman, right?
Yeah.
And then order and then ship
Yeah,
it here.
this is.
What's
this?
this?
Pag-
Oi,
My mum's thing.
you got a cricket ball?
Yeah. How about TJ? Did TJ did?
No, he didn't want to.
Oh, ikaw lang. Gigabytes. Sige, ikaw ka na doon ni Daddy kasi tutulungan niya mag-unload ng car. So, yeah, ito yung bago niyang laptop. Pareho sila ni Kuya. Kasi si Kuya kailangan niya ng bago. Kasi yung kanyang laptop na ayaw niya na nun kasi medyo slow. So, gusto niya din MacBook. MacBook Air sa kanila. Welcome home. Welcome home. Sakit ng aking braso.
Oh, they're home from this mess already.
Hoy, I didn't do nothing, babe. Naglinis daw sila ng bahay.
That I was screwdriver.
Yeah, I thought.
But I had to
Okay, open it here now,
I
honey.
need a screwdriver.
Oh, why?
Because I have to.
Is that Auntie Mel's gift?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
That's it.
In the can.
Auntie Mel's gift.
Yep.
Look how beautiful.
Yeah, it's
Alright,
like
go,
a
Holly, do it.
gift.
No, I don't have a screwdriver.
Yeah, you do.
I need one.
We need one.
You don't.
Yeah?
No, we don't.
You can use it so. Oh, did you already take one? Just got this. Go right.
Ah.
But this breaks easy.
Can't take all that clean Here.
Left is loosey.
Oh, is that the screw for that?
Yeah, but you can get
Shut
a
that door,
different screw.
I like your undies. Is that the one I bought?
We went up and got some.
And yung hikaw ni Holly nasira ko kasi trinay ko siyang i-open sa phone
wait,
ko.
you can actually.
Oh.
Oh, alright. Ready, Holly?
That Holly is open.
No, I want to open it. Okay, I'm excited. Wait, how do you?
It's nothing.
A little.
I knew it was money.
You knew?
$100.
Yeah, probably because you heard me.
No, because it's like shaped like nothing. I got
What should I say
$100.
to Auntie Mel?
Thank you.
Alright, now you're going to put it all over
Thanks,
that.
Auntie Mel. You don't have to put the money there. Just...
Oh, yeah.
How about you, Kuya? What you got?
Why you get 100?
Why?
We got 50. What? How much we get? Oh.
Oh, 100 from Auntie. So, hindi na sila, kasi mahirap na silang bilhan. Di ba, nung mga bata pa sila, ang daming binibigay ni Auntie Mel sa kanilang mga toys. Ngayon, hindi na, ayaw na nila. Well, hindi naman sa ayaw. Wala nang mabilan ng,
I'm so happy.
toys na para sa kanila. Kasi parang nabigay niya ni Auntie Mel.
I'm just gonna put.
Tsaka namin yung mga toys na kailangan nila. So, ngayon, pera na lang talaga ang binibigay.
I'm so happy.
Oh, we got $100.
This is mine. I think there's something important.
Oh, bukas ako mag ng mga damit. How do you feel that we're back, Holly?
Nice.
Nice?
It's actually hot here.
Yeah, so how do you feel coming back here?
Happy because I got to see Dad.
Yeah. So yung earrings ni Holly na kailangan ko lang i-ano yung parang yung hook. Kasi trinay kong buksan yung phone ko para ibalik ko na yung SIM card ko dito sa yung SIM card ko sa Telstra. Ayun, nag-curl siya. Let me see your clothes. Your clothes, Kuya. Is that a new one? You got a new jumper. Ah, I like the color. Come here.
Wait.
Where's all your new stuff that you got from Sunday? I-hold na lang natin yung mga nabili nila. But I'm so sorry guys, nakahiga ako. As in, ako, pagod. And yung arms ko, matamlay. I got this one. What's the other one?
Wait, Mom.
Rip curl. You got shorts?
Mom, I need to open the luggage
Why?
because all my jumpers.
That's it for Kuya. Oh, this is... let me see what he got. That's Daddy. Si Daddy nahihilig sa polo. This is Daddy to? No, this is not new.
Yeah.
This is... No. Ang bango ng labada nila. Ayan. Ito kay Johnny Boy. Nakalagay.
There's
Rip
other
curl,
stuff.
soft.
I don't know where it is.
Polo naman kay John. What's yours? And kay Kuya. And I like the color. Large na si Kuya. And this is yours. Oh, you have the same as Daddy.
Why?
This one. Yung suot ni John ata ganito.
And these.
This is the same as Daddy. This what Daddy's wearing now. And ayan. Yung print. Then this shorts.
And
Yeah, and this golf and jumper. I like this color, kuya. So, yan yung mga nabili nila doon, guys. Okay, magpahinga na ako. Bukas na lang ako bukas na lang ako mag-ampak. Kaalis siya ng 5. So, yun na guys yung vlog. Pasensya na. And thank you sa family ko sa Philippines. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami ni Holly. And, yes. Ang dami naming, dami ding ganap namin. Although, hindi ko makasama lagi yung kapatid kong babae, si Yingabi ko lang. Kasi lagi siyang may ganap din sa buhay niya. Tapos yung kapatid kong lalaki din, busy rin siya. Kasi nag-work din siya sa, who's this? Zachary. Nag-work, who's this? Yeah. Nag-work kasi yung kapatid ko din. Ay, bought socks to. Nag-work din kasi yung kapatid kong lalaki. What's that, Baba?
A jumper.
Nag-work din. So, hindi kami halos magkakasama. Halos ang nakabanding ko lang si Mama, si Papa. So, halos kami lang. Kasi nga, may mga trabaho na yung aking,
Is this my luggage?
ha?
Is this my luggage?
What's luggage? I'm not sure. Why? What do you need?
I'm gonna get my pants.
What pants? You still have pants there, Baba. You got. I only brought 2 pants. That's it. And all your pants is in the.
Maybe there's some in here.
Yeah. Kasi nga, magpa-pants na siya yung makapal kasi mamaya lalamig naman. So, yun nga. Kaya hindi ko kasama lagi din yung mga kapatid ko. Yung si Yinga Bicolana at si Cloyd kasi may mga work sila. Busy din sila sa mga buhay-buhay nila. Kaya si Mama and Papa lang ang lagi namin kasama. And, yeah, sobrang enjoy din. And then yung mga pinsan ko, pag may oras sila, pupunta sila sa, doon sa Legazpi. And then si Ate Shai niya, lagi siyang sinasaman until, yung umuwi siya yung pasukan na. Kasi maaga yung pasok nila. Kaya okay.
Can you pass this?
Go, kuya. Hold this, Get all this now.
There is nothing.
And excited ako sa mga pants kong nabili. Sabi ni Mama, 10 pants daw yung nabili ko all together. Ito, ang ganda din, Ang light-light lang. So, yan ko na yung vlog, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin for Philippine vlogs. And, yeah. And back to Australia na tayo. And then, pasukan na nila sa January 27. Tapos, may student free day kasi sila sa Monday. So, Tuesday ang pasok nila.
It's next week, Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday because you have student free day. I'm so tired.
Can I show them my laptop?
Oh, okay.
This is my laptop now.
Why who's going to Renmark?
This used to be Koya TJ's old one, but now it's my laptop.
Others are going to?
Yeah.
When?
Same time.
Oh, that's-
27th.
we ahead one day. Si Taj, pupunta din sila. That's good.
Wait,
How about Logan?
Ooh.
I don't know. I think.
You think? Kasi lagi na kami talaga every
Zach got this for Christmas.
Sa akin na.
What about the
Ito
cricket
din
ball?
ako ni Sak nung Christmas. Cricket. How
Is
about
this
you,
fun?
Kuya? What you got for Christmas?
Golf ball.
Ha?
Golf balls, that's it.
Oh
Golf
yeah,
balls.
the pin.
So, pag nakita ko yung mga pictures nila maliliit, si Zach, breastfeeding pa ako kay Zach, si Kuya, ang liit pa.
Yeah.
Renmark or Swan Hill kami laging pumupunta pag, ganyang season. And then, pag, pag off fishing, lagi kami dyan. Kasi nga, pang bata, siya, water, park. And sobrang na-enjoy din nila, Kuya. Hanggang ngayon, gustong-gusto pa rin nila kasi nga, fishing naman si Kuya. And sila sa bike. Kaya, parang, ayaw din namin, si Jan, ayaw niyang mawala yung room namin. Kasi every time, mag-check out kami, pinapa-book na ni Jan for next year. So, para yung date na gusto namin, yun pa rin ang makuha namin. At saka yung room, yung naka-face sa lake. Yun ang, sa river, I mean. Kaya, pag check out, book ulit si Ja for next year. Yun na yung naging routine namin. Kaya, yeah. So, doon na naman tayo sa aking birthday. Oh my God, I'm turning 44. So guys, yun na guys. Thank you. Ang dami. 23 minutes na to. Dito lang ako sa couch. Holly, let's go. Close the vlog and say thank you to everyone in the Philippines. Kasi mapapanood nila to. Yun nga lang. Ewan ko kung kailan. But hopefully makapag-edit ako. Pag kaya kong mamaya, I will try. But tomorrow definitely. Okay. Thank you guys. And thank you to our family for all the
For letting us stay.
Yeah, and then thank you for everything,
Everything, cooking.
for showing around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
thank you.
Thank you. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
Okay, summary. What do you think about Philippines? Our holiday together, just us without the boys.
Wait, why say exciting? I was happy.
Well, how about the experience? Like,
I played with my cousins. I had a good time.
and we did a lot. We went to
Yes.
Showtime,
SM.
G-Force,
G4.
and yeah, we go to Pico de Loro.
Pico de Loro.
Yeah, in the beach.
Oh yeah.
So, quick trip nga lang yung kasi.
Just wait.
Pauwi na kami. Yun na guys, thank you.
Thank you. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night.
Good night na. Okay, bye. Ano yung oras? Magpa-5 na ata.
Time